Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this Acer 7-in-1 USB-C hub. So right here we have a USB-C connector. We can plug that into like an iPhone 15 Pro Max or a Samsung phone or a laptop computer. Then we're going to have all these different ports here. So we have a USB-C port here that's 5 gigabytes per second. We've got a micro SD card, an SD card slot, 2 USB-A ports, and you can also charge your laptop with USB-C right through here. Nothing on the other side. On this end, there is an HDMI cable out. It does say input is limited to 5 to 20 volts, 5 amps max. Overall size, 5 1/8. The USB-C cable on the end is 8 inches long. And thickness-wise, it's not very thick, 1/2 inch thick. Again, HDMI, that's the big HDMI cable on the end. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.